Before you watch the video, you should like, subscribe and press the bell icon to watch the video regularly. And today I am telling you about lines and angles lesson 2, construction of 17, which I have left you. I told you a 60-degree angle, 60-degree angle, 120-degree angle and 30-degree angle. And in B, 90-degree angle, 45-degree angle and 22.5. And number C, number C is here 135-degree, 150-degree and 105 डिग्री. ओके, लेट्स टेक, ये आपकी दोनों हो चुकी हैं, इसको बताना था. तो 135 डिग्री, एज यू नो दैट फर्स्ट एंगल विल बी कंस्ट्रक्ट ओनली 60 डिग्री, ए बी. देन लेट्स टेक एन आर्क. ओके, first of all 60 degree, then 120 degree, complete arc. Then 60 degree, 120 degree, and here from here we will find 180 degree. This is 60, 60 and 60. Okay. Then now 135. Where is 135? More than 120. Here is 120 and here is 180. Then 135 is in between them. Then let's take half of 120 and 180. We take a point this type, more than half, and draw this line. Then you will find here 150 degree angle. Okay, 150 degree आपको पहले ही बनाना था, बन गया. Is that clear? 130, 150 क्या कहाँ पे होगा आपका? 150 आपका ये है 120 और ये आपका ये 60 है. 60 से आपका 30 निकल गया. थोड़ा सा इधर ही बनेगा इस तरह से, इस तरह से बनेगा 150 डिग्री का. 150 डिग्री पहले बनेगा, 135 बाद में बनेगा. आफ्टर दैट हियर इज 60 डिग्री. दिस टू दिस it is 60 degree and divided into 30 degree. This and this distance is 30 degree. We will bisect this 30 degree. Let's take in this type. It will be divided into 15 or 50. Then here is 120 and here is 15. What is construction here? This is here 150 degree and this construction is here 135 degree. Okay, and 105 degree. Where is 105 degree? 105 under the 120 डिग्री. 120 and 60 के बीच में है. तो इसको पहले हम बाइसेक्ट करें, 90 डिग्री में फाइंड आउट करें. पहले तो हम इसका बाइसेक्ट करेंगे और दिस जो एंगल बनाना है वही आपका मेन लाइन में होना चाहिए. ओके, and then here 90 degree and 120 degree. Half of 90 degree here is between 30 degree. It is also here is 60 degree. Then this is your from here 135 है, ये 120 है. 120 से इधर ये पूरा का पूरा यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक 60 डिग्री. Then here from here to here 90 and 120. 90 plus 120 कितना हुआ? 90 plus 120 210 210 को हाफ करिए, कितना आएगा? इज 105. ओके, जब हम हाफ करेंगे इसको तो कितना आ जाएगा? 105. इसका जस्ट इसी का हाफ कर लेते हैं, फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर बाइसेक्ट इट and we will find 105 degree. It is your angle 105 degree. In this way we will construct these trees: 135 degree, 150 degree and 105 degree. Okay, and then now next here ये सी नहीं है, ये डी है बेटा। पहले मैं आपको पहले कंट्रोल करा दिया। सी वाला देख लेते हैं। यहाँ सी वाले में क्या क्या है? 75 डिग्री, 67 हाफ डिग्री एंड 82 हाफ डिग्री. Okay, first of all we will find 75 degree. Then there is 75 degree. First of all take A, B line and draw an arc. These all angles are below the 90 degree, so we will first find out 60 degree angle, 60 degree angle and 120 degree angle, and then 90 degree angle. Then here is 30 degree and here is 90 degree. 60 and 30 make 90 degree and 75 is in between. So we should bisect this point to this point, this type, and find 75 degree angle. Okay. Now it is your 75 degree angle. And it is 60 degree angle. 60 and 75. There is 15 degree. No, there is 15 degree. 15 degree को हाफ करेंगे. From here, this point to this point. Bisect it, and we will find here 15 degree को हाफ कर देंगे. 15 डिग्री को हाफ करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? ये हो गया. 15 डिग्री को हाफ करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 7.5. Here is 60 and here is 7.5. Make 67.5 डिग्री, यानी कि 67 over upon 2. And here is 82 half. 82 half is here 75 to 90. Then we will bisect this point to this point and find 82.5. In this way, this is your 82.5, यानी कि 82 half. In this way we will find this. It is C, it is D. D पहले बता दिया है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड नाउ ई गया, ई को यहाँ बता देते हैं. 15 डिग्री एंड 52.5 यानी 52 हाफ डिग्री. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स टेक एन एंगल A, B. Let's take an angle first of all 60 degree. These are angles which you have to find out below than 60 degree. So we should not want to draw another one 60 degree. First of all, we will draw 60 degree here, and now 15 degree. Half of 60 degree we will find 30 degree. Okay. it is 30 degree and it is 30 degree. Then 30 degree, this 30 degree we will find, bisect this point to this point. It is called your 15 degree angle. This is your 15 degree angle. Okay. And now 52 and a half. More than 52 and a half. Here is, this is your 30, left 30 degree, over 30 degree. Bisect this point to this point. Then 30 and 15. 30 and 15. It is 30 and 15. 45 degree angle. And now we will we have to find 52 here to here. So we should bisect these 2 points in this way and find 72.5. ये 72 हाफ फाइंड कर सकते हैं यहाँ, 72 को 52 and half. Here is 52 and half. Here is 30 degree. Here is 15 degree. 30 plus 15. 30 degree plus 15 degree. It makes 45. And half is here. 7.5. Then 52.5. Here is 52.5. Exactly. Okay. So we I finish your construction. A 60 20 30. B 90 45 22 half. D 35 150 and 105. C 75 67 half degree and 82 half degree, and last E 15 degree and 52 half degree. Okay, so have a nice day.